Hey guys, short video just about pedal kit from KANIWABA, and I believe it's like last version what they have. And here's the problem. The problem is right there. I don't know, I hope it's gonna be visible. I hope the camera gonna focus on. Look how how much free play on chain, and also as you can see on frame, chain is rubbing like swing arm. That's actually not swing arm, it's like actually frame of the motorcycle. It plays a lot, really a lot. And honestly, here like no way to adjust it. So in the last video they was showing kind of like pushing like how much possible on the side, and it's make like chain a little bit tighter, but again here exactly rounded holes, so it's no gap to really like change any tension. So I don't know, like for me it looks like very poor design. So I don't know what to do, and because it's already my second kit, second chain. First chain was destroyed just on a lock, so lock on chain was just broken. Maybe because it's rubbing, maybe not, but it was broken, and I lost my chain. I pick it up from the road after, but I'm gonna show you like here, attach the video. Okay guys, that's the chain what came originally with pedal kit, and as you can see it's broken. It's just broken. One link is like solid, like still solid, another link just like broken by half. So how it's actually like happened? You see, here's the lock for chain, the bracket itself, everything looks good, but other side, as you can see, the side would have to be like strong as hell, crimped here, it just like destroyed. So original lock, it was just destroyed. And of course, like one link comes out from the chain, like this link just come out, and I was riding on only on one link, and this link on like one side of the link or wall of the link, I don't know even how to call this piece, but I was riding on one piece. Of course it breaks, and I'm missing that roller here or whatever it calls. But anyway, yeah, that's that quality for this link. And I contacted to eBikeZilla right away, and they said, oh, that unfortunate happened to you, and they sent me like other chain right away. And other chain little bit different, the lock itself different, different color, so maybe it's different manufacturing supplier or like something like this. And for now it's working, as you can see. And I don't know how to fix this. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna contact like KANIWABA, because this kit I bought from oh my god, from eBikeZilla. And but again, they just dealers, they not do any manufacturing things, and someone have to be responsible for this stuff, because everything is how it have to be installed, how it have to be, and maximum what they can do. But again, it's rubbing like a lot, guys. It's rubbing a lot, as you can see. I don't know, I hope it's focused, but it's like a lot of play on this chain, a lot of playing. And I'm just even like worried about it can go, you see, it's even touching like this here, like this tooth, and I can even go like, yeah, it can go crooked on that pinion, on that gear, and it's gonna be broken again. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what to do and who have to fix it. And I was thinking about even to remove one link, but it's gonna be too short, so I don't know what to do. I just showing you, it is what it is. And guys, it's $400, like Canadian bucks. I don't know, US bucks probably like around like 300 bucks, so it's expensive. It's expensive kit, and for this expensive kit it should be like perfect for this price, but it's not perfect. It's far away from perfect. So I'm gonna contact like KANIWABA and I'm gonna keep you updated. Thank you for watching.